Hey folks, Mark Kelly with Inbound Revenue, once again at my secret remote location. I can't tell you, or I'll have to hunt you down. I'm going to talk a little bit today about our bucket of hours that we offer as a service. It's a little unique because most agencies only offer services in the exact niches that they work in. So we have our fast launch niches. We also have audits. We've got custom campaigns. We've got one-time campaign builds. But we offer a unique service called Buckets of Hours, where you can buy anywhere between 5 and 30 or more hours to work with us on anything that you want to work with. So I want to explain a little bit how they typically work. So a perfect example of a client who maybe has a trouble account that they want someone else to look at is where you act as a second pair of eyes. So you buy a 5-hour bucket, you just go right on the Inbound Revenue website, go to Buckets of Hours, place your order, then you complete the intake form to give us some direction about what you want, give us access to your Google Ads account. From that point, a typical engagement might be we do an audit of the campaign or campaigns that you're running. We do that audit, and then we present it back to you, and you can review that, and then you decide which things you might want to implement based on that audit. And it can go all kinds of different ways depending on the type of campaign and things of that nature. So audit's a great example of something that can happen. And then the follow-up is you say, okay, love the audit, great results, go ahead and make those changes. That's something else that can happen as part of a bucket of hours. And then further from that, you could say, okay, we've done the audit, made the changes. Now I want you to go in there and do optimizations on a weekly basis. And we just continue to work until we get to the bottom of your bucket. And then Rebecca or someone from the team will say, hey, we're down to the bottom of your hours. You'll know that because you can have a ClickUp list that shows you, what we're working on, how much time we spend, how much time's available. And then at the end of that, you can decide whether you want to continue or not. It's a great way to date instead of marry an agency. Another way that agencies use it is say they've got a multitude of clients coming on, a multitude of Google Ads clients, and they just want us to touch on a number of different accounts and try to improve performance or audit or build a new campaign. It can be used for all that stuff. Audits, optimizations, rebuilds, campaign builds. You can even do unbounced landing page builds with your bucket of hours. So just want to explain that a little bit. Might be something that's interesting to you, and it's something that's a little unique that Inbound Revenue offers that other agencies typically don't. So if you have any questions, check out the Inbound Revenue website. Drop your comments below. Reach out to me. You can find me on Facebook. And look forward to talking to you again soon. Thank you very much. Have a great day.